Now, farming is, you know, we need to respect farmers more, I think. I respect this combine a lot. That's exactly why I'm erasing it from the earth. Pushing it down the hill is the only logical thing I can think of. So I chat GPT this, said it makes like 7 megajoules of force it going down the hill, which is just enough to obliterate that city over there. You can't see it on camera, but what you can see is a 30,000 pound combine going 80. So this will be the top speed record for a combine ever, actually. This is gonna be the fastest a combine has ever gone. I'm so pumped. It's coming for us. It's coming for us. Look out. Guys, behind the nose.